This is capital L. This is small l. In this video we will learn words which begin with letter L. L for leaf. L for lion. L for lady. L for lamb. L for lamp. L for lips. L for legs. L for Ludo. L for laptop. L for leopard. L for lotus. L for long. L for lemon. L for lice. L for lily. L for lungs. L for lipstick. L for log. L for lake. L for lychee. L for langur. L for lose. L for lavender. L for latch. L for lift. L for left. L for lovebirds. L for laboratory. L for labor. L for lump. L for lock. L for lunchbox. L for loop. L for liquid soap. L for listen. L for lentils. L for lap. L for lid. L for lottery. L for lotus temple. L for limca. L for like. L for laser light. L for lord. L for lobster. L for loom. L for lorry. L for land. L for lance. L for lantern. L for lighter. L for light pen. L for list. L for lever. L for lizard. L for lark. L for larva. L for lazy. L for leech. L for lighthouse. L for love. L for labels. L for ladle. L for lame. L for lunar. L for letterbox. L for letter pad. L for lockers. L for line. L for letter. L for lunch. L for lodge. L for longitude. L for laugh. L for luxury. L for luggage. L for litmus paper. L for lonely. L for lifebuoy. L for lifeline. Thanks.